What's the meaning of absorbed? Absorbed. 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 The word absorbed can mean to take in or assimilate something, such as knowledge or information. It can also mean to be completely engrossed in something, such as a book or a task. When someone is absorbed in something, they are usually focused and paying close attention. They may also be oblivious to their surroundings or to other people. Here are some examples of how the word absorbed can be used in a sentence. The student absorbed the new information quickly. The detective was absorbed in his work and didn't notice the time passing. The child was absorbed in his book and didn't hear his mother calling him.